The Universe cards. Number 11. White Dwarf. Keyword Essence. Interpretation. After the inflationary stage described by the red giant card, the collapsed star is reduced to its very essence, its core. Although the white dwarf is very small, it is also very bright and shines much more brightly than planetary objects of a similar size. The white dwarf card signifies a kind of stripping down to the bare essentials, the kernel of meaning beneath the layers of accumulated stuff. When the white dwarf card appears, you must look to the very heart of the matter and determine its essence. Whatever your question or object of inquiry, look at it in its barest and most fundamental terms. You are being asked to examine the real truth of the matter beneath the hyperbole, euphemism and good manners. The white dwarf card may indicate that you are missing the point in some way and that you need to look more clearly at what is really going on. To achieve an understanding of the essence of a situation, you can call upon the clarity and focus exemplified by the white dwarf card. Look at the situation and try to discern the one dominant theme or concern behind the complexity or confusion. The white dwarf card may also indicate that you have become too elaborate or made things too complicated with regard to your inquiry. You must strip things back to the bare essentials by working out what is really important here and discarding the rest. You may be required to have a mental or physical clearing out process, throwing out what you really don't need and paring things down to a sleek, adaptable minimum.